For Expert Village, I am Chef Danielle. We're going to dust our surface with flour. Be sure it's a clean, dry surface. Just want to dust it a little bit because you don't want your dough to stick to the counter. So when you get it into a ball, you're going to want, it's called kneading. It's spelled with a K, K-N-E-A-D. I'm going to put your dough ball on here, and you're going to want to push down and forward. And then you want to pick it up and kind of turn it just like a quarter turn and push down and kind of bring it back, turn it, kind of bring it back. You're going to want to do this, which is again called kneading, for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 4 to 5 minutes, you're going to get a dough that all those little crumblies and everything are going to be all incorporated into your dough. It's going to be one solid ball, but you don't want it too tough. You still want it a little bit elastic. Your next step is you're going to want to put it into a clean bowl, and you're going to want to do what's called proofing it. Proofing it means that it needs to rise. So you're going to want to cover it and put it in a warm, dry place. If you already have your oven preheated, because you're going to want to preheat your oven to 500 degrees in order to cook the pizza in the final product. A good place to put it is on top of the stove. Cover it with a towel, and you're going to need to let it proof for about an hour. So you can let that go while you're prepping all the rest of the vegetables for your pizza. You're going to want to put it in your bowl, and then you're going to want to top it with just a little bit of olive oil. You can use a measuring spoon if you want, or if you feel comfortable, just dump a little bit on the top. Be sure that it's coated, that your dough is coated, the top and the bottom. And then grab yourself a towel and put it on the top of your oven. If the top of your refrigerator is clean enough and no particles are going to get into it, that's another good spot. Also, if you have an oven where in the bottom drawer, if you don't have anything stored, and if the flames aren't shooting down in the bottom like a lot of gas stoves will do, that bottom drawer is going to be nice and warm too, and that's another place you can put your dough.